Hi everybody, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you the easy way to email a Google Sheets as an Excel document to somebody else. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. So this is a Google Sheets I have. It's a very simple spreadsheet. If I want to email a copy of this document as an Excel document, here's how to do it. Go to File, and then select Email. Email this file. So this doesn't need to be somebody who has a Google account, doesn't need to be a collaborator or anything like that. Just type in the name of the person. So they're already in my address book and they show up. This is actually my work email account. But you could also type in personal email or something else, or paste in something. The subject is the title of the particular form. And then you can put a message like, check out the spreadsheet. And then here it says file type. Change it from PDF to Microsoft Excel, and then click send. Takes a second. Let's see what it looks like. This is the form Ian Lamont attached to spreadsheet, and you can see it's an xlsx file. So I could either open it up if I wanted to open it up in Google Sheets again, or if I wanted to download it and then open it up in Microsoft Excel or some other program that can read xlsx files, I could do it that way. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And then also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see the book that I wrote about Google Drive and Docs and Sheets and Slides and Forms and many other Google apps as well. It's currently in its third edition. It's available from in30minutes.com. I'll have some links in the show notes so you can learn more about it. We also have cheat sheets for Google Sheets, both basic and intermediate level, and I hope those are good resources for you. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.